bowing in honor of our teachers' teachers, and the teacher within. Below the arms like sheets on a wind, right fist meets left palm. Roll through, sweep back, and fold at the waist. Again, right fist meets left palm. The eyes see everything at once and nothing in particular. Rise whenever you're ready. Take a moment here and tune in with your broader intention. Why are you here? State it affirmatively, present tense, simple language, something that really touches the feeling of your intention. Lift the palms and settle them at the level of lower dantian. Listening hands, alive with feeling. Relax the hands while they hold the posture. With honor, respect, and gratitude, I call on dog. Loyal friend. Ally who is always by my side, no matter what. And so as I walk this path, my Tao, I have this friend by my side. True friend. Steadfast. Sturdy. Reliable. This is in earth form. So let's walk this path, stepping forward with your left hand. And then the right hand, walking the path. Now the left hand for equal palms, root down through them. Tuck the chin. And then release that. Now round the spine and lengthen the arms. Notice which foot is on the outside in cross-leg position. And cross the arms to touch outer and inner feet, bowed head. Natural breath. Smooth the hands up the feet, up the forelegs to the knees. And when they reach there, begin to lengthen through the spine as the hands come up the upper legs. Let them come up all the way through the side body and then smooth over the belly into the water triangle stance, connected gently, gently at the thumbs and the index fingers. The thumbs are at the level of the navel. With full presence, notice the sensation of turning the head on the neck. Let's move toward the left with the head. Let the eyes follow slowly. Natural breath. And when they reach the side or near it, simply listen to the sounds you hear, to the vibrational waves coming through. Receive them all, unbiased. Blink the eyes softly and slowly, slowly return the gaze through the center point. Again, letting the eyes follow as the head turns toward the right side this time. Naturally breathing, letting it do what it needs to do through the nose. And here on the right side we pause. Then we listen again. And we seek out the spaces in between the sounds. Like finding the tiny holes in between the threads that make up the fabric of sound. Turn the head back to the center. Release the water triangle and draw a circle. Turn the wheel, palms back on the path. Let's move through. Right hand, left hand, right hand. Step by step, one step at a time. From the tops of the shoulders, draw down, tuck the chin, opening the front of the body, the sea of all yin meridians. Round the back, be pulled by the fingertips. Cross hands, find the feet, head is still bowed. Smooth the hands up the forelegs to the knees, and when they reach there, begin to unfurl the spine. Coming up. Lifting by way point at the crown, finding the water triangle. See how relaxed you can let your shoulders, your traps, and your arms, how relaxed you can let those be in water triangle stance, how gently the connection point can be at the thumbs and the index fingers. Taking it real slow for this set. Natural breath, begin to turn the head on the neck toward the right this time. Slowly, slowly, noticing what it feels like. And when it reaches its point, right before the neck muscles want to really engage here, we pause and we listen, like watchful dog guarding us by our side, every step of the way, no matter what. Blink the eyes and return the head through the center point, slowly making your way there and on through it to the other side. Keep the eyes open through that. Eagle vision gaze, seeing everything at once and nothing in particular. Natural breath, listening. Watchful dog guarding you. Return the gaze back to the center point and offer gratitude to dog. And when you feel ready, let your body choose your outer hand and cover Dantian, aligning the Lao Gong points. Sending a beam of qi through them, remembering your intention, dropping it in, full feeling. And so it is, and so it is, and so it is. It is so, it is so, it is so. Releasing Dantian when you're ready. In honor of our teachers, in honor of our teachers' teachers, and in honor of the teacher within, we bow. Thank you for your practice.